camera fashion. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Look what I just got through the post. OMG, LOL lights. Let's unbox it. It's so cool. Ta-da! Wow, I love her lipstick and her hair. Wow. Comes with a sticker. And should we now unbox her clothes and then we can get her out. That looks so cool. Let's see her outfit. We have got, well, a jacket. Whoa, that is nice. Now, where's the other one? Oh, I think there is, isn't there? Oh. Let's see what she's got here. Oh, look at that. There's red, there's blue. I think we're supposed to put these like them, I think. You got a hairbrush here. And I just realised, once I was looking on the box, these two little shapes are actually bracelets. It has two little earrings. So I'm going to keep all her jewellery in here. And now I think it's time to get her out and dress her. What do you think? I love her hair. I love her makeup. I love her outfit. I love her shoes too. I'll just show you her shoes. She looks amazing. Oh, and I love her nail polish. She looks amazing. She has pink under here. Well guys, let's put her jewellery on and her jacket on, and then I can show you her properly. Yes, wow. Try and shine the torch on her. Blue, red, blue, red. Thanks for watching the unboxed angles. Please subscribe,